Sister Mary Grace Akirol omuhwezi w'orukwebembera ba RDC omwihanga hamwe n'abakamishana office ya President Frederick Nkayi babire nibarambara zimwe ha project za gavumenti okureeba obuheereza okubura okuhika omu bantu b'obutosha.
These reports have captured it, and even the head of state, the fountain of honor, is wondering with all these sums of money being sunk into all these districts, why is it that the communities are complaining?
I again want to thank the government for allocating 1 billion for the road works. But again, as Ibanda Municipal Council, when we come to the usage of the 1 billion, there is a certain vote that is taken by the person that gives us the machines. So if all the money were used in grading our roads, sincerely speaking, some acreage,
aba barambwire ishomero rya Ryabantenga Secondary School kandi mbere y'erumo nerarikiriza hamagara agabara kurushomeramo na naba barukurishomesezamo.
Seen even the floor is not cemented. We have reinforced this and have directed the office of the cow together with the office of the RDC and all of us as stakeholders to ensure that the floor gets some cement.
Ishomereri rikatandika omwaka gwa 1998 kandi bingi obwa hati barutire herisho ahabwe embeera mbi ey'erumo kandi neryo ryonka erikwatirwaho gavumenti omugomborre ya kicuzi.
President akaraganza kweza abantu obuheereza kandi theme ya manifesto ejo ikanegira ngu securing our future.
Hatakabireho kurambara aba babwabwineho n'abebembezi ba district y'Ibanda abebembezi barukuhereza yo reporter borekere oku program za gavumenti ziri aha kuhindura ebyanga gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.